Many times when you're working on your Chromebook, you will need to be able to see two different pages or programs at once. And it can be very hard when you have to go back and forth between the two. So what you can do is you can have it so they each split the screen and they divide it in half. To do that, when you're on a program, on your computer keyboard, you're going to hold down Alt and left bracket. And that will make it so that one of the programs takes up the left half of your screen. Then go click on the other window of the other program you want to be able to see, and this time hit Alt and right bracket. Now you can see that my computer, I can see both pages evenly. If I want to make one bigger and the other one smaller, I can grab this slider bar in the middle and I can drag it back and forth so that one's bigger and one's smaller. Or I can also just make one really big and one a little bit bigger and just click between the two if I need to.